Morning students. So today we will continue based on conditional probability. So problem numbers up to 6 problems already over. Now problem number 7. Look here, 2 points are tossed once where E stands for tail appears on one point. F stands for one point shows head. Second question, E stands for no tail appears. F stands for no head appears. Now the question, determine probability of E given that F. Look here. Now here 2 points are tossed. You know that if 2 points are tossed, what are the outcomes? How many outcomes totally? How many outcomes? 4 outcomes. 2 points are tossed. Then sample space S is equal to 4 outcomes, namely HH, HT, TH, TT. Both are head, one tail, one head, both are tail. Okay. Now here, first one, E stands for tail appears on one point. Tail appears on one point means either first point tail appears or second point tail appears. Here no tail, leave it first one. That is second one HT, tail appears. Here also tail appears. Now tail appears on one point, but here both the points are tail, leave it. Only one point and tail. Okay. Now therefore total number of favorable cases is 2. Here total number of outcome n of x is equal to 4. Okay. Then F stands for F is one point shows head. One point head ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ head ಗೆ leave it. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ HT. Here TH. One point shows head. No head here, only 2. Therefore the number of favorable cases become again 2. Okay. Therefore, probability of E is equal to probability of event E is equal to, you know the formula. What is that? N of E divided by N of x. But N of E value 2, N of x is 4, that is 1 by. Whereas probability of F is equal to N of F divided by N of s. N of f is again here 2. Total outcome is 4, that is 1 by. Okay. Now to find E intersection F. Now E intersection F is equal to, intersection is common. E ಮತ್ತು F ಗಳ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದು HT TH. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Therefore total number of favorable case in E intersection F is 2. Therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to number of favorable case n of E intersection F divided by n of s, that is 2. N of s is 4, again it is 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore the question, find the probability of E given that F is equal to, what is the formula? Probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. That is equal to, what is probability of E intersection F? 1 by 2. What is probability of F? 1 by 2. Both are cancelled. That is 1. This is first question answer. Okay. Whereas second question answer one, E stands for no tail appears. F stands for no head appears. Now here E stands for no tail appears. Tail ಇರಬಾರದು. Tail ಇಲ್ಲದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Only one HH. ಹೌದು. So that is H. Only one event. Therefore number of favorable cases become 1. F stands for what? No head appears. Head ಇರಬಾರದು. Head ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ head ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ head ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ head ಇದೆ. That is T. Only one. Therefore number of favorable cases become 1. Therefore what is probability of E? Probability of event is equal to number of favorable cases and total outcomes. That is number of favorable cases is 1, outcome is 4. Similarly, probability of F is equal to number of favorable case and their outcome. Again, number of favorable case is 1 divided by number total outcome is 4. Now E intersection F common ನೋಡಿ E ಮತ್ತು F ಗಳ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ E HH ಇದೆ F DT ಇದೆ no common so that is empty. Therefore number of favorable case in E intersection F become 0. Therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to, you know the formula, so that is number of favorable case divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 0 divided by 4, that is 0. Therefore probability of E given that F is equal to, what is the formula? Probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, that equals probability of E intersection F is 0 divided by probability of F is 1 by 4. 0 divided by any number become 0. Here each question carries 2 marks. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 8. A die is thrown 3 times. Let E stands for 4 appears on third toss, means third dollar, and F stands for 6 and 5 appears respectively on first 2 tosses. Using this, now the question, determine the conditional probability of an event E given that F. Look here. Now here you know that if one die is rolled, how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 2 dice are rolled, how many outcomes? 1 die is rolled 6, another die is rolled 6. That is 6 into 6, 36 outcomes. Namely 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, like that. See, whereas if 3 dice are rolled, how many outcomes? 6 into 6 into 6, totally 216 outcomes. Okay, now here if 3 dice rolled, then the sample space, now given 3 dice are rolled, 3 dice are rolled, then sample space S is equal to, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, how many outcomes? 1, 1, 1, okay, then 1, 1, 2, then 1, 1, 3, then 1, 1, 4, then 1, 1, 5, then 1, 1, 6, right? Next ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 6. Totally 216 outcomes. It takes time. So remember, if 3 dice rolled, write directly 36 outcomes. Now total number of outcomes. 1 die rolled 6, another die rolled 6, another die rolled 6. That is totally 216. Okay, write direct. Okay. Among those, E stands for, E ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, 4 appears on a third toss. Third toss ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮೂರನೇ ಡೈದಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎರಡೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೈದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 4. So what are the outcomes? ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ outcomes ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? 4 appears on a third dice. What are those outcomes? 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. Okay, now here 1, 1, 4, then 1, 2, 4, then 1, 3, 4, right? 1, 4, 4, 4 appears on third dice. Then 1, 5, 4, right? Then 1, 6, 4, correct? Next, there are so many. Then 2, 1, 4, then 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, then 2, 4, 4, then 2, 5, 4, right? Then 2, 6, 4. Okay, so and so on. How to direct method? Look here. If one die rolled 6 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again another die rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 appears on third die. 1, 1, 4. Next 1, 2, 4. Next 134. Next 144, 154, 164. 6 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು 1 ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Again 214, then 224, then 234, then 244, 254, 264. Again 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, totally how many outcomes? If E stands for 4 appears on third toss. Third guy 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ the total outcomes? So 4 appears on third toss. Okay. And so on. There are so many outcomes. Isn't it? Now, F stands for F 6 and 5 appears respectively on first two tosses. ಮೊದಲೇ ಎರಡು ಟಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಡ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 and 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. 6 and 5 appears on first two tosses. 651, 652, 653 ಅವೇನಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 651, right? Then 652, then 653, then 654, right? Then 655, then 656. Enough? Only 6. So total number of outcome become 6. Right? Now, E intersection F is equal to, what is E intersection F? 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656. Here E stands for 4 appears on third toss. Third toss and 4 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 654 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Here F stands for 6 and 5 appears on first two tosses. 654 is there. So what is common number? Only one number, I think, 654. Therefore, total number of favorable case N of the intersection is 1. Okay. Now here N of F is 6. Therefore, probability of F is equal to number of favorable case and their outcome. Favorable case is 6. Outcome is 216. 6 ones are 636. That is 1 by 36. And the probability of E intersection F is equal to favorable case N of E intersection F and total outcome. N of F E intersection F is 1. Total outcome is 260. Therefore, probability of E given that F by using conditional probability formula P of E intersection F divided by P of F. What is P of E intersection F? 1 divided by 216 whole divided by P of F is 1 by 36, that is 1 by 216 into 36 by 1. 36 1 36 6 that is 1 by 6. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆಯೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು F ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 4 appears on first on third toss. ಮೂರನೇ ಗಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 654 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. F ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 6 and 5 appears on first two tosses ಅಂದಾಗ 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656. ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾಯಿತು? 654, only one common. So final answer probability of E given that F is equal to 1 by 6. Okay? Yes, next problem. Problem number 9. Mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Okay, 3 persons. Here mother, father and son. Okay, so father, mother and son line up at random family picture. Father, mother, son. Then E stands for son on one end, either first end or last end. Son on one end. F stands for father is in middle. Father middle ಇರಬೇಕು. Son ಮಾತ್ರ first end ಇರಬಹುದು, last end ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ using those two conditions, now determine the conditional probability of event E given that F. Look here. Now here let S is the sample space. Now there are 3 persons. Now sample space S is equal to 3 persons line up at random ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಂಗ random ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮದರ್, ನಂತರ ಫಾದರ್, ಸನ್ ಇರಬಹುದಾ? MFS means ಮದರ್, ಫಾದರ್, ಸನ್. ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾದರ್, ನಂತರ ಮದರ್, ಸನ್ ಈ ತರ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಆರ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಸನ್, ಮದರ್ ಇರಬಹುದಾ? ಆರ್ ಸನ್, ಮದರ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದಾ? Son, mother, father. Or next, son, father, mother. That is also random. Okay. Then one more. What will you have? Mother, son, father. Repeat after. Yes. So 3 persons line up at random. Now what are the possible outcomes? First mother ittara, ನಂತರ father, then son, or father, mother, son, or father, son, mother, or son, mother, father, or son, father, mother, or mother, son, father. So totally how many outcomes? Total number of outcomes is 6. Among those, E stands for son on one end, either first end or last end. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Son on one end. Here one end, here one end. Here this one is not here because it is middle there. Here sun on one end, here middle one. Leave it. So what are those? M, F, S. Okay. Next, father, mother, son, one end. Then son, mother, father, one end. Then son, father, mother. So total number of event is here 4. Right? F stands for, what is F? Father is in middle. Father middle ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು father. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So mother, father, son, middle. Father is in middle. ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. This one no. That one yes. Son, father, mother. Father is in middle. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Only 2. Therefore, total number of favorable cases is 2. Okay. Now, therefore, probability of E is equal to definition of probability, number of favorable case and their total outcome. Number of favorable cases, N of E value how much? That is 4. Total outcome is 6. That is 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 by 3. Right? Then N of F is equal to probability of F is equal to N of F divided by total outcome. N of F is 2, total outcome is 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, now to find E intersection F. E intersection F means common elements on both the events E and F. What are the common? Mother, father, son. Common is na? Eradu ide tane? Then son, father, mother is na? Yes, common. Son, father, mother. Therefore, total number of favorable cases is 2. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to number of favorable case N of E intersection F divided by N of S. N of E intersection F 2, N of S is 6, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, the question, the conditional probability of E given that F is equal to, what is the formula? Probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. What is probability of E intersection F? 1 by 3. Probability of F is also 1 by 3. Both the terms cancel. That is 1. Clear? Oh. Yes. Next problem. Problem number 10. A black and a red dice are rolled. Now, first question. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that known that the black die resultant should be a 5. Okay? Second question, find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum is 8. We have to calculate the sum is 8 given that known that the red die resultant in a number is less than 4. Look here, a black and red dice are rolled. Totally 2 dice. As you know that if 2 dice rolled, how many outcomes? 36 outcomes. Okay, so 2 dice are rolled. Black and red dice are rolled. Okay, how many outcomes? 36 outcomes. Yavada borutte? Sample space S is equal to 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, correct? 1 5, then 1 6. Similarly, 2 1, 2 2, right? 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Okay. Then 4 1, 4 2, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Finally 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. These are the outcomes. Therefore, total number of outcomes n of s is equal to 6 into 6, that is 36 outcomes. Among those outcomes, now here there are 2 events. Let E stands for a sum is greater than 9. Sum greater than 9. That is E is equal to. Take the ordered pace such that its sum should be more than 9. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus 1 2. Whether 2 more than 9? No. 1 plus 2 3. 3 more than 9? No. 1 plus 3 4. Is it 4 more than 9? No. 1 plus 4 5. 5 more than 9? No. 1 5. 1 plus 5 6. 6 more than 9? No. 1 plus 6 7. 7 more than 9? No. Then second line ನೋಡಿ 2 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ more than 9 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. This one no. This one no. 2 plus 4 6 no. 2 plus 5 no. 2 plus 6 8. 8 more than 9 no. Then take third line 3 1 no. 3 2 no. 3 3 no. 3 4 no. 3 5 no. 3 6. 3 plus 6 9. But 9 is equal to 9. But the condition 9 more than 9 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Leave it. Next 4 1 not there. 4 2 does not exist. 4 3 does not exist. 4 5 does not exist. 4 6 yes, because 4 plus 6 10. 10 is more than 9. Correct? Next ನೋಡಿ 5 1 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 5 2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ more than 9 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 4 no. 5 5 yes, because 5 plus 5 10. 10 is more than 9. Next 5 6 yes. 5 plus 6 11. 11 more than 9. Next one 6 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 6 2 6 plus 3 8 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 6 plus 3 9 no. 6 plus 4 10 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ. 6 4 then 6 5 because 6 plus 5 11. 11 is more than 9. Then 6 6. Therefore total number of favorable case ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then given that F stands for given that black die resultant in a 5. Black die should be 5. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ die black ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ die black ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು. If you take first die black ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ black die ಇರಬೇಕು. Black die resultant should be 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 1 ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ die black ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 5 1 5 2 5 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 5 4 then 5 5 5 6. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? No. Only 6 outcomes. Therefore n of f is equal to 6. Therefore probability of f ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Number of favorable case divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 6. Outcome is 36. That is 1 by 6. Correct. Now to find common. E intersection F. E ಮತ್ತು F ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, E set F set. What are common numbers? Common ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 1 is there? No. 5 3 is there? No. 5 5? Yes. Common number, common order 5 5. Next 5 6. Only 2. Therefore, total number of favorable case in E intersection F is 2. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to number of favorable case in E intersection F and total outcome N of S. What is N of E intersection F? 2. N of S is 36. That is 2 ones are 280, 1 by 80. Therefore, the question, find the conditional probability of obtaining sum is more than 9. Sum is more than 9 denoted by E. Given that, known that black die resultant in A5, black die resultant in A5 denoted by F. So that P of E bar F is equal to, you know the formula, what is that? P of E intersection F, okay, divided by probability of F. So P of E intersection F 1 by 18, P of F is 1 by 6, simplify 1 by 18 into 6 by 1, 6 1s are 6 3s are, that is 1 by, this is first question answer. Artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Find the conditional probability of obtaining sum is more than 9 denoted by E ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Given that ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡೈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ F5. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಎರಡು ಡೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡೈ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 5 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 1 ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 5 2 5 3 5 then 4 5 5 5 then 6 5. Okay, now here E stands for sum is more than 9, F stands for black die resultant should be 5. Okay, and I will same way second one. Okay, yes, second question is here. Find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum is 8. Let E stands for sum is equal to 8. That is E is equal to sum is equal to 8 means among those outcomes in sample space, take the ordered pair such that sum of those two number exactly 8. No, react ಮಾಡಿ 1 1. 1 plus 1 is it 8? No. 1 plus 2 is it 8? No. 1 plus 3 is it 8? No. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ 2 4, 2 plus 4 6. 6 is not equal to 8. 2 6, yes. So first order pair 2 6. Next in third line ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 5 because 3 plus 5 8. Next fourth line ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 4, correct? Because 4 plus 4 exactly 8. Next line 5 3 because 5 plus 3 is 8. Next line ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 2. 6 plus 2 8. So total number of outcome N of E is equal to 6, right? Then F stands for, given that F stands for, known that red die resultant in a number less than 4. ನೋಡಿ ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? among those two dice black and red, ಅದರ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4 ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ 1 by 1 1. Is it 1 less than 4? Yes. So first ಯಾವುದು? 1 1. Second die is correctly ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. Only first die should be less than 4 because first die is treated as right. Then 1 2, yes, because 1 is less than 4. 1 3, right? 1 4. Then 1 5. Then 1 6. But we have 5 1 to sir 5 is more than 4. No. Only now we treated as first die should be right. First die right ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. First die right ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ first die ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 less than 4, 1 less than 4, 1 less than 4 and so on. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಕಿದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ whether 2 less than 4, 4? Yes. 2, 1. 2 less than 4? Yes. 2 less than 4? Yes. 2, 4. Then 2, 5. Barakola? 2, 5. Correct? Huh? Second die ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ only first die. Because ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು die should be less than 4. ನಾವು first die right hand consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Next 3, 1. 3, 2. 3, 3. Then 3, 4. Then 3, 5. Then 3, 6. Next story. First die right hand ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. First die number ಏನಿದೆ 4. whether 4 less than 4 no. ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Next die ನೋಡಿ 5 less than 4 no. 6 less than 4 no. Only those ordered states. So total outcomes ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Therefore favorable case is 6 6 6. That is 18. Correct? Therefore probability of f is equal to number of favorable case and their outcome. Number of favorable case is 18. Outcome is 36. Sample space 36. 18 ones are 18. Now what is common number? What is E intersection F? E intersection F is equal to E set ಇದೆ F set ಇದೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 6 ಇದೆನಾ? Yes. 2 6 is common. This and this. 3 5 is there? Yes. Then 4 4 is there? No. Only 2. 2 6 3 5. Right? Therefore number of favorable case in E intersection F only 2. Therefore probability of E intersection F, definition of probability of event, number of favorable case in E intersection F and total outcome n of S. But n of E intersection F is 2. N of S is 36. 2 ones are 218. Therefore the question, find the conditional probability of obtaining sum is 8 denoted by E. Given that, known that ಯಾವುದು red die resulting in a number less than 4 denoted by F. What is the formula? P of E bar F is equal to P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Then simplify. What is P of E intersection F? How much? 1 divided by 18 divided by P of F is, probability of F is 1 by 2. Simplify. 1 by 18 into 2 by 1. Right? So 2 ones are 2 nines are. Now final answer is 1 divided by 9. That is second question answer. Clear? Now each question carries 2 or 3 mark. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ easy ಇದೆ. Okay? So next class again we will discuss about some more problems based on conditional probability. Okay students? Thank you.